In capitalization, number 1. Ako na. Intindihan. Cruise. Capitalize the first letter of the sentence. Ang umpisa ng pangungusap, ginagawa natin capital. Kagtuyan na itong my. Okay? M is capital letter. Next. Proper noun. Christmas Day. Pwede natin gawin the name of a person, the season, di ba?
Paano ako siya i-capitalize?
Ayan no. Christmas Day, New Year's Day.
Anuhin lang yung...
Lalakihan. Pag sinabi natin capitalize, lalakihan yung unang yung mga letters. Okay? Title of the book, Pirates of the Caribbean. Yan o. Yung P at saka C, capital letter. Kasi Caribbean. Okay, very good. Pusin natin to. Okay? Period of event, Middle Ages, diba? Initial of the name should be capitalized. Halimbawa, DENR. Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Ginagawa natin siyang capital letters. Okay, number 6. Mario asked, what is everyone doing this sequence? Capitalize the first letter of the first word of quotation. Pag may quotation na ganito, ito. Ito, quotation yan. Dapat capital letter ang kasunod. Malinaw?
Yeah.
Very good. Next. Salutation. And closing of a letter. Dear Mr. Mayor, sincerely yours. Ginagawa rin natin capitalize. Kinakapitalize natin. Ano pa? Yung I. Yung pronoun na I, kinakapitalize natin yan. Naintindihan?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay? Yan o. I saw the white sand along Rojas Boulevard. May family and I. Yung I capital letter. Naintindihan? Very good.